Hello, welcome to another video of Slivro 243. Here we are going to learn how to convert degrees to radians using Python language. Okay, we use the IDE called the Jupyter Notebook. Let's open it. Let's open the file by clicking here. Go to new. Open Python 3. Okay, it's ready now. Now it is not. You see now, it is not having a title. Let's go to file, save as. Let's call it degrees to radians. Okay, we save. Now it's there, saved. Let's start by declaring a variable. That variable we'll call it d. Let's call it d as a degrees. The user will enter d. Okay. It will be integer. Those integer, it will be the input also. We will input it. We will input it. Okay, let's put here a string that will be displayed on the screen before someone enter. Okay, we say enter degrees. Okay, so far so good. Let's run it and we see how it will look. Okay, someone will enter here, like if you want like 90 degrees. Okay, he will enter it here. Nothing can be done because we are not, our program is not ready. It's not ready. Okay, let's go to the next line. We have radians which will be equal to degrees times pi over pi. Okay, pi which is 3.14 or 15, approximately 15 over 180. This is similar to saying 0.00175. okay, and if you want to print out, okay, we will say print. We print R degree radians. Okay, let's run this. We enter degrees. Okay, and it will display out the radians. Here we got the answer. Answer is 1.57500, which is equal to 9.90 of degrees. So far the program is working, but it is not somehow not user friendly. It is not looking good. So we need to add something that will make it user friendly, look good. Okay, yeah, we can say like we can say here we can print like d degrees equals R. Okay, we can say like it. We can say equals R. If we run these and we put like 78 degrees equals 1.2. And we put here radians. Radians. If we run and we put like 90 degrees, we see 90 degrees equals 1.57500 radians. That's cool. Let's go back to improve something. Okay, if you see like this, as we know, let's see, let me put a comma. 90 degrees, 90 degrees equals pi over 2 and so on, you know. Pi over 2, 180 degrees equals pi equals pi. Then we need to add some functionality where this program will see if the it is 0 degree, it's 0 radians. If it is 30 degrees, it will add that pi. If it is 45, those definite pi's will appear. Okay, let's go ahead and then remove this and try to add some other functionalities. Okay, if d equals 0, then you will print 0. Print 0. Okay, now let's copy this. Copy because it's gonna be used much. Let's copy this. If degrees equals to 30, then we will print pi. We'll print pi over 6. Okay, let's copy this. If degrees equal to 45, it will print pi over 4. That's cool. If what's going on? It's like this. Ship. Let's close the bracket. Do like this. Good. So B, if degrees equals 60, it will be pi over 3, of course. And if degrees equals to 90, it will print pi over 2. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so print pi over 2. Then let's see what's remaining if it is okay. Okay, there is something that we need to do. Also, if the remainder of the degree over 180 degrees equals to 0, there is no remainder, there is no remainder, there will be something that will be done. We will display that degree given, okay, the degree given of 180 and we print the pi. That should be good. So let's run this so far and we can see what is going on. Let's put 90 degrees. 90 degrees, okay, equals, you see it displayed twice and it's printed like this. Here we need to put S. This is no longer needed. Okay, we need to run this. Put 45. We enter pi over 4. Absolutely, this is what we needed. Then here we need to put something. We need to say we need to say d degrees equal degrees equals. Then here we took this like copy of these. Copy of these. Copy. Need to be pasting everywhere here. Everywhere here. Everywhere here. 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 That's good. Now we need to think of something like when the degrees okay, things are over, like we can continue with other things. Let's go to the next line. elif print elif, if it is not defined as pi like that, we can print like elif print the degrees equals to okay, we can say equals to r equals to d times 0.175 0.0175 degrees radians. radians. Okay, let's print these. Invalid. Okay, elif. This elif food, sorry. This copy, this could be like go here, elif. This one will be like elif. Then here will be else. Then we print this. Okay, now we can like 98 degrees equals 1.7 radians. Let's put another one, like let's learn this. 19 to be degrees equal to pi over 2. Let's learn this. 180. Let's 180 equal to 1 pi. Things like that. Let's learn this again. 400, like 360. It should be 2 pi. Let's learn this again, and you put like 35. This will be equal to 0.6 radians. It is not putting pi because it is not easy to simplify it to pi. So for more complexity of this question, we will see in another coming video. Thank you. Bye now.